48, determine the molarity of each of the following solutions. And then we have letter E. In this example, we need to find the molarity when we're given 0.005653 moles of bromine, Br2, and that's all in 10 mils or milliliters of solution. We want to find a molarity, right? What's the main molarity formula? It's this guy, right? I'll just put it up over here. Molarity equals the moles of the solute divided by the liters of solution. That's the formal way, but the less formal way, we could just say it as capital M for molarity equals moles divided by liters. So I'm just going to put that down here. I'm going to say that my formula is capital M molarity equals moles divided by liters. Now let's see. Did they tell us any of these units? They told us a mole value, right? So I know that the top number, I have 0.005653 moles. So we already know the numerator. But do we know a liter? No. They gave us a milliliter. So before I do this formula, the first thing I have to do is I have to convert 10 milliliters into liters. Now, how do we do that? Well, quick trick down at the bottom, right? If I have a milliliter and I want to go to liter, I'm going this way. Anytime that you want to convert a milliliter to a liter, all you got to do, milliliter to liter, all you got to do is divide by 1,000. So I either take this number and divide by 1,000, or you could also take the decimal place and move it to the left 3 times and fill in the loops with the zeros. Either way, you're going to get the same answer. So in this case, this would equal 0.01000. I'm just keeping the sig figs here, and this would be liters. I'm just going to double check myself because you never can be too certain. But yep, that's it. All right, now we have the liters. This number is 0.01000 liters. And finally, I can find my molarity. My molarity would be 0.005653, and maybe I'll just say moles, divided by the 0.01000 liters. And now let's just do the math, right? Maybe I'll just pull this over just so that I have more room over here. And let's just do that math. So this molarity would equal, let's see, 0.005653 divided by 0.01. So I get 0.5653. Units for molarity is either a capital M, or since the units that you used, right, these were the 2 units, they don't cancel, right? Moles on top here, and then liters down here, they don't cancel out, right? I can't cancel these out. So they have to stay in the units. So this would just be mole divided by liter. And that's it. Now this is your whole equation. So the molarity in this case would be 0.5653 moles over liters. And that's it. Guys, what do you think? Hopefully this helped. Let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up. Just makes us show that, or it just shows to us that we're doing our job correctly. The only thing that we want to do is help you guys out in your studies. All right. So hopefully we're giving you the best, free access to learning chemistry. And we also have physics and math at the moment. And yeah, so let's keep rocking those tests. Let's keep working hard on our homeworks. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.